Beauty is how you feel inside and it reflects in your eyes. It is not something physical. Everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. I am Dr. S. Rajalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Senior Scale. I work for the Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, Chennai, Department of Criminal Law and Criminal Justice Administration. My presentation will focus on victims of cosmetic surgery, a medico-legal study. What is cosmetic surgery? Cosmetic surgery is a type of plastic surgery that aims to improve a person's appearance rather than their health. Cosmetic surgery 100% focus on aesthetic appearance. Cosmetic surgery is different from plastic surgery. Plastic surgery aims to repair defects or damage on the face or body and reconstruct areas which are dysfunctional. Some examples of plastic surgeries are burn repair surgery, hand surgery, scar revision surgery, lower extremity reconstruction, breast reconstruction. Contrastingly, plastic surgery does not focus on the aesthetic outcome. Reason for high demand in cosmetic surgery: high income, economic development, change in social norms, greater purchasing power, increasing influence of media, change in cultural norms, race, social pressure, consumer pressure, globalization, repeated trips to the Western countries are some of the reasons behind high demand in cosmetic surgery. Among the list given here, high income, increasing influence of media, social pressure tops more. Most common cosmetic surgery procedures: facial contouring, chin, cheek, rhinoplasty, breast enhancement, lift, reduction, augmentation, body contouring, liposuction and tummy tuck, skin regeneration, laser resurfacing, filler treatments and botox, facial rejuvenation, eyelid lift, neck lift, brow lift and facial lift are the most common cosmetic surgery procedure. We can add hair transplantation also. International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeon has given a data. 2018, India stood fourth among the 25 countries where cosmetic procedures are performed. The US, Brazil and China topped the list. Rhinoplasty, liposuction and hair transplant are among some of the most popular procedures in India. 5.2% of all cosmetic procedures worldwide are performed in India. 15 million people resorted to cosmetic surgery in 2018, out of which 4,66,231 were Indians. This slide highlights that 90% of female are victims of cosmetic surgery. When compared to male, they are just 10%. Most popular area in our body where cosmetic surgery is performed is eye, nose and mouth, lips more particularly. Benefits of cosmetic surgery. Cosmetic surgery has its own benefits. Enhanced appearance, improved version of yourself, align your natural appearance with your desired appearance. Second one, improved physical health. It is not only having aesthetic appearance, it is also having some points regarding health benefit. Rhinoplasty surgery not only will enhance the look and shape of your nose, but may also help with respiratory issues that you may have. For example, Michael Jackson. He has gone for rhinoplasty surgery. Improved confidence. By fixing and altering your appearance to suit your wishes, you will automatically have an improved self-esteem. Psychological benefits. We don't feel that we are looking good. That is one of the important reasons behind cosmetic surgery. When you go for cosmetic surgery, when you don't feel you are looking good, then it improves your state of mind, free from anxiety and depression. Next point is pain is overestimated. Cosmetic surgery is not painless. It is not as painful as it is believed to be. Permanent results. Cosmetic surgery often lasts a long time or are permanent. One important point to be added here is whatever may be the cosmetic surgery, care is required. Easily accessible. There are so many clinics in and around us which touches upon cosmetic surgery. Cosmetic tourism is very popular. Disadvantages of cosmetic surgery. Cosmetic surgery has its own disadvantage. Number one, expensive. Chance of addiction. Michael Jackson was victim of chance of addiction. Doesn't always meet expectation. I would like to go for some cosmetic surgery, but I may not know the result in advance. After plastic surgery, I may not be happy with whatever I'm having. So it may not meet my expectation. Mistakes can happen in cosmetic surgery. There are so many victims on this particular category, mistakes. Recovery time is also too long in cosmetic surgery. The right surgeon. Choosing a right surgeon is a very big task in cosmetic surgery. Depression post-surgery is again one of the important disadvantages of cosmetic surgery. Very important, the reaction of others. What others will think, what will be their comment and remarks will make you more depressed in cosmetic surgery. Risk of death is also there in cosmetic surgery. What is the effect of cosmetic surgery medically? Let us take some of the effects in cosmetic surgery. Risk you need to know in plastic surgery. Hematoma is a small internal collection of clotted blood. This occurs after about 1% to 2% of facelift procedures. Seroma. Seroma is an internal collection of watery body fluids. Neurosis. Necrosis or tissue death for surgical manipulation. Nerve injury. Anytime the skin is cut, small nerves are severed. Real risk rate 1 to 1000. 1 in 1000. Infection. Make sure you hire a board certified surgeon and the facility is clean and sterile. Infection is the most common problem faced in a cosmetic surgery when the doctor is not professionally qualified in handling the cosmetic surgery. Numbness. Temporary numbness or loss of feeling at the site of an operation is fairly common with facelift and tummy tucks. Bleeding. The risk of dangerous level of bleeding after surgery is about 1%. Potus or sagging and dropping is not an uncommon side effect. Death. In cardiac surgery, A 2% death rate is normal. Plastic surgeries deal with much smaller vessels, so the death rate is rare, substantially less than 1%. Medico-legal challenges in cosmetic surgery. Patient duty. What are appropriate or correct application for cosmetic surgery? The patient should be aware of this. Principle of autonomy. Patient should not only have the capacity to say no, but must also be sovereign in his or her decision-making capacity. The patient should decide whether to have cosmetic surgery or not. Physician duty, beneficence, ethical duty to maximize benefit. The doctor has to give maximum benefit to his patient. Non-malfeasance, duty to reduce risk. He should see that he should avoid risk in cosmetic surgery. Highest medical standard plus minimized complication is what is the foremost duty of any physician in cosmetic surgery. Informed consent. This is a very important part of our discussion. Informed consent must be obtained before medical intervention. Ethically obtained information consent based on mutual respect. Legally effective consent, it is legal consent. Effective communication is what is more demanding. The patient should understand actually what is going to happen on his body. What is the procedure? What need to be done after cosmetic surgery? Everything should be communicated to the patient. All the side effects, all the advantages and disadvantages should be conveyed to the patients under informed consent. Corporate medicine. Cosmetic surgery is treated as a commodity nowadays. False and misleading advertisement via media and internet is more popular in the present scenario. Cosmetic surgery is promoted in the name of scientific development. When it comes to research, procedures should be subjected to rigorous research protocols before used on patients. Inadequate regulations still exist in cosmetic surgery. Little monitoring is there in cosmetic surgery. Limited mechanism to prevent cosmetic surgery. Possible litigations before the court of law. Improperly performed surgery. Michael Jackson is again a best example which can be taken into consideration. Improperly performed surgery. Early post-operative complications, typically bleeding or infection. Long-term problems such as scarring or deformity. Direct claims against the surgeon arising from the administration of local and general anesthesia. Error in diagnosis. Delay in diagnosis. Misjudgments and omissions in the plan of treatment. These are the possible litigations which come to the court of law. Error in diagnosis, delay in diagnosis are most common. Improperly performed surgery is the most possible litigation before the court of law. Medical negligence, civil negligence, criminal negligence, contributory negligence, corporate negligence, composite negligence. These are the different types of negligence which can result in cosmetic surgery. Consumer Protection Act 1986 takes care of this negligence in cosmetic surgery. District Forum up to Rs 20 lakhs. State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission between Rs 20 lakhs and Rs 1 crore. National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission over Rs 1 crore. These are some of the cases pertaining to cosmetic surgery, where the National Commission observed that onus of proving alleged negligence in treatment of a patient lies with a person alleging medical negligence. Again, National Commission has observed that complaints must provide materials to prove allegations of medical negligence. Medical negligence must be proved by expert opinion. These are some of the list of cases in cosmetic surgery. The list is not exhaustive. It has so many issues before the court of law. There is there is there are so many issues before the court of law. Before going to the suggestions, I would like to add a very important point. There are so many victims of cosmetic surgery. There are so many victims who doesn't report cosmetic surgery. People don't come forward and tell that they have undergone cosmetic surgery because they give a posture that they are naturally very beautiful. But in reality, they have enhanced their beauty, and they don't come forward and tell that they have undergone cosmetic surgery and this is the complications they have faced because of this cosmetic surgery. Many cine artists are victims of cosmetic surgery. Modeling people are victims of cosmetic surgery. It doesn't stop there. Even common people are going towards cosmetic surgery. They want to look beautiful. They don't want to look what they are. They are not satisfied there with their own look. They want to take the look of others. They want to change themselves. This is the point which is taken for commercialization in cosmetic surgery. I don't want to look myself. I'm not happy with what I have. I want to change it. That is the point, triggering point behind cosmetic surgery. I have come out with certain suggestions to avoid victims in cosmetic surgery: diminished autonomy and decision making capacity. Cosmetic surgery issue should refer to mental health professional prior to surgery. Forensic psychologists need to be consulted before going for a cosmetic surgery. Scientific evidence of the safety is necessary. Before a person goes for cosmetic surgery, he should look for what is the scientific evidence of this particular cosmetic surgery. Balance between beneficence and autonomy is most needed. Rigorous research protocol is a demand. It needed. Cosmetic surgeon should be part of mandatorily medical council and scientific society of plastic surgeon. Reform of public opinion in relation to cosmetic surgery is necessary. This is the most important point which need to be taken into consideration. We have to reform. We have to love ourselves. We have to carry ourselves what we are. We need not copy or we need not be duplicate of others. Promote the public education. Professionalism, guidelines and regulation required for cosmetic surgery. We don't have a proper guidelines as to cosmetic surgery. We need a guidelines for cosmetic surgery. Medical complication insurance need to be introduced. For the victim of cosmetic surgery, medical complication insurance is need to be introduced. Say no to cosmetic surgery. Don't be the victim of cosmetic surgery. You could see that we don't have a proper regulation. We don't know actually what is going to be the result. Once done is always done. Once you start doing it, if it is not up to your expectation, then you have to do it again and again. And that is really going to put the person in stress and depression. Sometimes it may lead to suicide also. Thank you.